my God, guys. Naunsa naman taon ng Utica, New York. Wala. Pag-ura ko ng guna diri, guys. Oh. Katatapos ko lang ganyan, bumagyo na naman. Noong nakaraan, umulan. Ngayon, bumagyo na naman. Baka ulan naman ito. Umitim na yung langit. Ano ba yan? Di ba ako tapos guna? Tanggal ako ng ano ba yan? Gamot, gamot, ano ba yan? Grass. Ano ba yan Damo. Gamot naman tuloy. Wala, noon sa kanyo. Itong kayong langit, guys. Wala, ito masalamit Lainas panganod itong kaayo ba ito kayo sa naman wala na akong papel dagan na akong papunto na dito. Akong tanganan sa pagkaon sa kong iring. Ang iring nga askal galit lang abot sa balay. Hala ka, ano nang nangyari sa mundo after dila sa Mindanao, Philippines. Dito na naman sa New York, ganito din guys, look at bago na ako nagtanggal sa mga grass hindi pa ako natapos. Dami ko pang gagawin dun sa kabila. Busog na pa yung hangin. Kalo ko, busog sa hangin hangin. What happened to you, girl? He loves walking. Hello, doggy. He loves walking, huh? Talk, babe. Like now.
Oh my gosh. Good.
Finally. Looks very bata. Oh, the bottle is already not here. So fast. Wow, it's very nice, babe. I'm worried if that one will drip, and we are not here. Hello guys, mayong hapon, paganan. Anawa mo lugar. Pag muulan, party pong kusuga. Grabe na kusuga. Kauman sa brown out, ingani na naitabo. Salugdog nila ingani. Ingani dibidiri ba? Magdo kay murag po ka ng pagkukuha ka ng tagagaw na yun, kanang murag bagyo. Naligo ko guys kay kanang burn out diri parteng inita. Pila ka oras from 4 PM to 7 PM. Pagka ako nakaligo na ko ni musdak ang ulan ni balik ang kuryente. Pagka hayahay ni musdak ang ulan bagay suga.
Stop. Open the door.
But it's dry now. Hmm? We're going now? We're going now? Look at the water, oh. Here. Makan lah akong bapak. You put your feet. Raining. Lahag yapon. Bisag ulan, guys.
I got a good break.
Scared me.
It's right. Guy, what the fuck?
Like. It's already wet. Nah. Luckily they fix the electricity before the rain come.
Oh yeah.
If rain it's raining, they cannot really fix it. You know, it's dangerous.
They can. Yeah, they gotta wait.
Yeah.
The car got a shower also. Nice.
I feel very good. And the car also showering. Manglaag bigas, manglaag sa barkada. So kay ulan dari ganina, guys. Wala. Tara, let's go. Lah, what is that?
Water.
So heavy.
Sun's coming out soon.
It's just only almost 7:35,
Yeah.
7:40. But still raining. But good thing sun is already got show up. Al latino, al latino, al latino.
De chiles y tortillas de maíz, mientras que la ecuatoriana se caracteriza por platillos
Puerto
ricos
Rico,
en
yeah,
grano
yeah.
verde en rolos. Para
Hello,
entrar en
guys.
calor,
Good
pruebe
afternoon.
sopas del día, tanto el estilo ecuatoriano como mexicano.
Kami sa
Mole
buwang
tostada,
barkada.
fritada, pescado frito. Sienta la
So, ang ulan
diferencia.
dire.
Elige entre el buffet diario. Equamex cuenta con una sección de especialidades con especias, salsas, frutas tropicales combinadas y más para que prepare sus propios platillos. Equamex, 12
Still heavy rain.
Street en Utica, abierto los 7 días de la semana. Servicio de catering disponible. Consulte el menú completo en Facebook. Servicio de domicilio disponible. 315-735-0243.
0243. You know that?
1, 2, 3.
Yeah. Wow, why is he? Why he ride it there? Good thing, good thing we know where is the nice boat. Nice.
Every color under the sun. We also have gazebos, children's swing sets, lighthouses, and windmills. Hey, Joe Schneider.
What is the name of street of Eldon?
Lansing.
Huh?
Lansing.
Now selling a
Lansing?
variety of sizes and styles of Stony Creek log cabins. If you have a piece
This
of
is
land,
going to Eldon
show you
place.
an affordable way to go. Oh, by the way, if you're looking for me, I'll be in my shed.
See, nice day.
Oh, why there's a lot? Today is their schedule?
Oh, for garbage.
Ah.
This area, yeah.
Sana og bagsura guys, so that's the Prince Cruzada guys.
Nuestras oficinas están ubicadas en Omaha Valley y hemos representado
Immature, we are arriving.
a lo largo de los años.
Rutger, Third
We'll go
Avenue.
5 feet down and then we go Lansing.
Okay. Oh, the rain is going heavy.
Manejamos todo tipo de casos de accidentes. Somos abogados trabajadores y agradecidos.
Trabajadores,
Neta, cargo por nuestros
the employees.
servicios hasta que tengamos éxito en su
The
caso.
employees, trabajadores. But employee only is trabajador.
Llámanos al
It's a single. Single is a one man only.
Oh, okay.
Trabajador. But if many trabajadores,
Mucho gusto.
like employees. So.
Everything. And you can mix and match to your heart's
Run, go away.
choose your key. From mild to their infamous
Na guys, so ba naman to sa ano, ato sa click on beer. Kay mula aray. Guys.
Brightly tire exhaust and
Sa tindahan ko ano.
cannot be beat. A set of pads
Ganahar. And then para nakap Ting Amerikana itong Amerikana. Nagpaulan no. Sana all doon sa may sa may araw. Nami kayang ligo. Bahala ko. Pero man ako ligo guys kay nagano ako sa mga agod lang. Wadan may kuryente kay naay naputol nga wire napatay na no. Sa ulan no basa gini akong laki ron lupas siya. Wala banat ko kay mau na wala na parte na ligua sa tao. Na uwing na ni ron. Ganun basaa. Oh my goodness, you're sweating na. You're wet now.
Oh, babe.
Are you okay?
No,
Oh my
I'm
goodness.
okay.
You're
I'm
so you're wet. So you see, you're talking outside or good.
Easy.
Yeah. Wow.
Take a shower.
Yeah, nice shower. I love it. Wow, nice shower.
What the hell?
Nice shower, guys. Mamiya silang ligo eh. That is good for them. They can save water. Laka, wala. Kadlo ka to eh. Too scary. Careful. There's a lot of holes here. Is that Melissa house? Eldin house?
No.
Or it looks like
Gotta go here, Lansing. See Lansing?
Lansing. Oh, Lansing. Ah, this one. At kami sa yung barkada, guys. Sa Lansing. Na mga basura sa Dapit Sagada, guys. Oh. Nangabalintong na. Yung mga basura. Matapin to their garbage. Allah. Hindi mo masabog. At that one later, the truck will become pack up.
Like that.
So heavy, what the fuck? I'm pretty sure they will get mad. What happened to this one garbage? Del amor. the garbage today.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure he got a garbage too.
Hey, look at the garbage. Oh,
See stop. A lot of stop signs.
I wanna part. I hope I won't fall. I part already. Where's the house? This one?
Yeah.
Yeah, this one. This is the house of my friends. My husband's friend. I will go out if the garage is open. If not, I won't go out first. Heavy rain. We only stay this one here. Babe?
I'll go see if it's
Maybe
open.
maybe you
wait.
message him first. I don't want to go out if the garage is not open. You're very wet already. Oh my goodness.
You wait.